Trouble under the hood leading you to the junkyard? Before you do this, watch this. You know, driving with a dirty windshield can be extremely distracting and, let's be honest, a little dangerous. Well, BlueDevil Windshield Washer Concentrate helps ensure a clear windshield in a variety of common conditions. With all the different elements we drive through daily, think about that, it'd be really difficult to keep your glass clean. BlueDevil Windshield Washer Concentrate comes in an easy-to-use formula that makes up to 16 gallons. It's safe for all your vehicle finishes, like metal and rubber, and it cleans away built-up road grime, dirt, and bug splatter. Keep your eyes clearly on the road by using BlueDevil Windshield Washer Concentrate. For complete installation instructions, check out our YouTube channel or get all the information you need in one place over at GoBDP.com.